Preparation positions you to seize a God's given opportunity. So when you are prepared, even if you prepared in the darkness, and it comes that you have to stand in front of the king, and he asks you something, do you know that will be able to help you to prove you are already sharp, you are in line.
Yeah.
You see? So therefore, it's very important to understand this thing. God will always reward you, even though you do things in darkness. So serving faithfully in smaller places, like a place that you don't think that it can ever makes you to stand great. Small. It leads you to a greater responsibility.